folks, TJ here. I actually received a gift from Timex Sinclair Santa right before Christmas. I was not expecting it. I was expecting it, but not this early and right in time for Christmas. So I thought I would do first an unboxing, an explanation, and then my future videos will be first use. What's in this box? Well, let's open it up and then we'll discuss it as we open it up. And I'll also name some names. I think hopefully there's something in here that has the names. I only know one of them easily. The other ones, I don't know quite yet because they're not Facebook friends, but they're maybe folks that I'll get to know over the years. So let's open this. It's a small, I would say, do you need the dimensions? Santa easily delivered it to me. So let's open up. Do you see anything? I don't know what's in here. I know, but I don't know. Okay, so there's some bubble wrap in here. There's one thing. I'll put that thing here. Oh, there's another thing. And then some paperwork. And that will, I guess, read. An SD card. We'll show these things up a little closer here in a second. A sticker. Let's show the Timex Sinclair 2068. It's a little sticker. That's cool. What's in it? It's got personal color computer. Little sticker. A important something that I need to read, apparently. Put that there. Oh, okay. This is going to show you what it is. And it's even got some names on it. Let's show it up close. So there's even a little official card. I'll hold it in a few different angles. And what's it say? It says Timex Sinclair, Serial 46, TS-Pico, Certificate of Ownership, Thomas T.J. Ferreira, Ricardo, Gustavo, Jeff, Tim, and David. And there's even the little K there for as if it was a programming ZX basic thing. And then, oh, this looks like official. And a book. This looks so professionally made, and then an empty box that we'll put over here. The box is tipping over. Okay. So what is this? This is a little user manual for the 2068 Personal Color Computer Pico Interface user manual. Holy schmoses. And there's how many pages in this thing? It's very nicely printed professionally. Look, there's even... What I find fun about the Timex Sinclair user manual, the 2068, it's got lots of little pictures like this one here. In fact, my first game, Invasion of the Cloud People, I created using that book, the book that came with my 2068, and a ZXSpectrum book, and stuff on the internet, and I put it all together and made my first 48K Speccy game. So that was kind of fun. So let's put this down and actually look at the letter next, because this may give us an explanation. December 12th, 2023. Hello, TJ. Enclosed is your TS-Pico, serial number 46. We hope you enjoy using it. We have spent many days and late nights working together to bring the TS-Pico to you. It fulfills a long missing need in the Timex community, being able to load and save using something other than a cassette. Which is so true, and why it's one of the biggest reasons why my Timex TS2068 was my first, one of the first, because I also received my Omni laptop around the same time. But technically, I think it's the first video I made about my whole Sinclair world. And one of the reasons I don't use it tons is because, yeah, feeding from cassette is fine and dandy until you got a lot of work to do. When you got a lot of work to do, it becomes a little tedious, and there's probably ways with a twister board, putting it on the back and getting other Sinclair peripherals to do something on an SD card, but this is made specifically for the Timex 2068 and brings it into the real world to where you can now use it much easier. So let's continue reading on before I sneeze. Oh boy. The TS-Pico is an open source hardware project The schematic and board designs for the TS-Pico board and the expansion bus board are available on the GitHub site. The software is extendable, and once you get some more features and squash a few bugs, we'll be making it more open source as well, or making it open source as well. While it is designed with the idea of being a file management device, the TS-Pico can actually do a lot more. The communication protocol is quite simple, and the code on the TS-Pico is extendable. Extensible. I think he has a spelling error here. E-X-T-E-N-S-I-B, Tico is extensible? Maybe extendable? Extensible? Maybe it's right. And I'm wrong. We'll be releasing details about how to do that communication and how to add your own commands features to the TS-Pico soon. There is a special errata already in the manual about cartridges and inserting the expansion bus or direct connect TS-Pico. Please read that first before connecting the TS-Pico to your computer. Will do. The GitHub repository address, and they have an address, and it says please reach out if there's any basically questions, and it's signed Best, Ricardo, Gustavo, Jeff, Tim, and David. And that's it. So let's look at the actual devices. So I've already showed you the card. Maybe we should actually read the important. Why not? Get prepared. Important, remove cartridges. Remove any physical cartridges before using the TS-Pico with your TS2068. Currently, physical cartridges are incompatible with the TS-Pico and will result in a bus contention. Turning your 2068 on both attached may harm your computer. So basically saying, you unplug the cartridge. An update is forthcoming to allow loading cartridges images into the flash RAM on the TS-Pico. Okay, that's cool. We are investigating potential solutions to allow for both cartridges and the TS-Pico to work together. Some edge connectors are tight. You may experience extra resistance plugging your expansion slot or direct connect TS-Pico into your 2068 because of the extra edge connectors. Take your time, align the key, and plug in with gentle force. So that's the little errata important thing. Like I said before, there is a SD card that they sent. No idea what's on here, but there's good stuff. Let's open up this package first and explore. I'm going to touch some metal here. I don't want to shock anything. A nice little Ziploc-y baggie, protecting it during shipping with some bubble wrap around it. Let's see if... Oh, this bag's tight. Okay. It's got lots of little connectors holding this baggie on. It doesn't want to release. Okay. Which way was... Okay, so here is the card. And that's the front. Here is the back. I can't really show you side profiles because it's very slim, but it says TS-Pico serial number 46. Looks like there's a little Raspberry Pi up here, and there's a little portage on the side, maybe for updating. I don't know if this needs power at all. I'm guessing no. I'm guessing that's for doing updates and stuff. But on here, what type of chips are on it? I can't read this stuff. It's too dark in this room right now. But there's chips. I'm guessing this device is going to make my TS2068 more Speccy compatible so you could do more things. I have to read about all the functionality. Maybe there'll be page 1 or 2 that has that. But it looks like on the side, there is a little bit of side. There's a slot for your SD card. It looks like it's a mini slot. So I'm guessing I'm plugging in just this SD card. Here is a expander one. So I'm guessing I can put that in the computer, copy stuff over, then take the little card out and slap it in the side of here. So yeah, very simple looking board. Not tons of components. But yeah, there's chips all over the place and a Raspberry Pi. Let me stick this back in here. I don't want to damage it. And then we'll open up the second one. This is strictly an unboxing. And then we'll look in the book and quickly see if there's a further explanation of what this device offers. We know that it's a read-write making life easier for TS2068 folks. Here's another baggie. Okay, I'm guessing this is the expander card, which is kind of cool. You'll be able to add other devices, maybe over time, other things they come up with. Oh, this one's in here. There's some standoffs on this thing that don't want to release the package. Okay, it's like Porky's. Remember Porky's the movie? And there's a little hole, and there's a crazy gym teacher on the other side. I'll leave it there. So here's the expansion card. Look, so it looks like there's not only this end that appears where you'll plug it into your TS2068, there is an expander on the back that you can plug in other things. And then there's 4 slots on the top that let you plug in other stuff. There's little standoffs here on the backs, probably a height thing to keep it not wobbling on the desk. And it says TS2068 bus connector. And so you can plug in more devices. There is looks like a power jack here. I'm going to have to read the book. I'm not sure whether I need to provide these with power, or maybe it can handle fine one card, but if you're plugging in more, you need to plug in a power source. I don't know yet. Let's look at the book quickly and see if there's oh crap, I dropped the sticker. Hold on. Oh, I'm running over my nice little card here. I've already got goop on it. Okay, so let's look at the book. Let me find, maybe in here it says what the heck it is. General description and operation. Okay, cool. There's special acknowledgments in here too. That's cool. We'll look at the book a little bit more in depth later. Page 5. Let's see what it says. Thank you for selecting Timex Pico interface, or the TS-Pico, as we like to call it. The new interface was developed for the Timex Sinclair 2068 computer. It is user extensible, so that is a valid word. I was thinking extendable for some reason. Interface to the Raspberry Pi Pico and a digital file storage solution. It's programmed in MicroPython. The TS-Pico allows you to save and load programs from TAP files on an SD card. It features 512K of flash memory, some of which holds its advanced operating system and some of which is available to you, as well as 512K of static RAM, all of which is available to you. So it's giving you a whole bunch of memory. You know, I don't know if this device gives you any more capability for Speccy ROM. I did not see a Speccy ROM on here, so I'm going to need to read. Maybe I will still need to connect in if I'm going to feed Speccy specific applications that the TS2068 may not understand fully, whether I still need to plug my twister board into it. I'm going to have to read up, so I don't know. That will be for the next video where we do first tests, so very cool. So it looks like the major function of this is read, write, save, load type of device with extender card, where it looks to be more things coming down the road. Maybe there's a card that you have to plug in to add the Speccy ROMs. I don't know. Maybe it's on here and I just can't see it. So let me read up on it. So this was an unboxing. Thank you for watching. Thanks to the whole group again. We've got Ricardo, Gustavo, Jeff, Tim, and David for sending me this. I will connect up my TS2068, plug in these, read this first, make sure no other cartridges are plugged in, and do some testing, see how it works. And then as time progresses, start using my TS2068 more. This will bring, I think, new life to my Timex Sinclair use at my home. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your year. 2023 is about out of here. Thank goodness. So thanks for watching. Bye.